little mini pop-up there, and it's the first time I sell in person, so I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. It's currently 6:30 in the morning. I had to wake up so early to get ready. I washed my car last night. Look how good it looks. My wheels look so freaking good right now, but let's see how they look with this hour drive right now. A little outfit check. It's so bright. I hope it's not hot. It was literally 100 degrees yesterday and it was terrible. Available at streetbliss.co. That's such a bad aim. If you guys are Bad Bunny fans, let me know what you guys think about the new album. I honestly like it. There's some bops up in there and I be jamming. My sister actually has an extra pair of tickets for sale, and I think if they don't sell, I'm gonna buy them off of her for cheap. So I might go see him. That'd be so fun. And let me know your guys' thoughts if you like it, if you hate it. I know obviously some people are gonna be like, oh, I like his older music. It's always like that, but sometimes we gotta embrace the new stuff as well. This is an extra color. Should I do these kind of neck strap? Tablecloth or something. This is so freaking nice. I think it's a sign. It parked next to the Street Bliss booth. K5, wide body K5. That's a wrap. So I actually just got back from the Volante warehouse sale slash car meet that they had. Street Bliss had a little table and a booth that was selling some of the stuff, and it was honestly really fun. But if I look crazy, it's because I've been up since 5 a.m. and that is way too early for me. All I want to do is lay down, but if I don't get to this right now, I probably never will. If you guys didn't watch one of my previous videos where I tried to fix the front end damage with my tree, I actually didn't have any bumper brackets to even attempt to put the bumper on. So I actually ordered one and it took like 2 weeks to get here. I couldn't really find a used one, so I just ordered this new one. I got it from FR Sport. So Here it is. So exciting, huh? So I actually ended up finding some headlights for the 240. Okay, so I actually want to see like this. I'm gonna try one last thing from a video. Check the fuse box. So I believe this is exactly how it's supposed to be, and mine was wrong. So mine was 10, 10, 15, 15, and then empty, empty, and then it's 15, 15, 20, 20 on mine. But that's how it's supposed to be. So let's try and match it. Hopefully it works, because if it doesn't, then I feel dumb. Sorry if I'm all up on the camera and I'm like ASMR moment. 10. I'm at least happy I fixed the hazards. I was gonna leave that. I was just gonna drive without hazards forever. I think I'll figure it out another day. It's not at the top of my list. I don't mind that they stay up. So now I can move on to the bumper. I'm literally an idiot. Honestly, don't do my research, because I bought this bumper bracket, right? There's another metal extension from the bumper that connects to the bracket. And I'm like, I am so dumb. So I'll possibly see you guys in a few days. So fast forwarding to a couple days now, I finally have the brackets that I need. So I got my hands on the 2 brackets that I need. I do need to drill out 2 of the holes because the bolts and the nut are stuck and welded on there. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. Also picked up 2 fuses for the motors of the headlight, so you know, do the little up and down, and the horn, which I'm not gonna do in this video, but I just wanted to show you guys the little stuff that I got for it, because oops. I have a lot of 10mm bolts. I have some that came with it, which I'm gonna use for the one I did not just drill out. I'm a little worried because this whole area is a little wrinkled as well, and I kind of moved it around with some pliers, but I don't know if that's enough. They're not on good at all, but it's just for the test to see if the bumper goes on and it sits decently here. Okay, here are some of the holes that it already has. There's only 4 right now.